Welcome to a world where ancient craft meets modern artistry. This is the rare Pottery Workshop. Here, we delve into the rich history and unique nature of pottery, a timeless art form. Each creation tells a story, a testament to dedication and artistic vision. Join us on a journey into the heart of craftsmanship, where beauty is born from earth. Discover what makes this pottery truly rare, from concept to completion. Our journey begins with nature, sourcing the very essence of our creations. We carefully select unique, rare clays, each with its own distinct character. Back in the workshop, the raw earth undergoes meticulous preparation. The secret to our vibrant glazes lies in these natural minerals. Crafting the perfect glaze is an art, blending elements for lasting colors. Each material tells a story, contributing to the final masterpiece. The dance of creation begins as the potter centers the clay on the wheel. Watch as a simple lump transforms into an elegant form. Skill and precision guide every move, shaping the clay with intention. The clay responds to the touch, fluid and yielding to the artist's will. Patience shapes perfection as tools refine each curve and angle. An artistic vision unfolds, piece by delicate piece. Every curve, every line is a deliberate choice, reflecting mastery. The potter's eye, a critical judge, ensures harmony and balance. From raw earth, an elegant design emerges, full of potential. The artistry of the human hand, shaping beauty with grace. A testament to dedication, a piece ready for its next stage. After shaping, the pieces enter a crucial phase, slow drying. This delicate process prevents cracks and ensures structural integrity. Once leather-hard, the refinement begins, adding intricate details. Carving and incising transform the surface into a canvas. Each mark, a thoughtful addition, enhancing its unique character. The importance of slow drying cannot be overstated for durability. This delicate process ensures the piece's longevity and beauty. Now, the magic of glazing begins, transforming surfaces. We employ unique glazing methods, from hand painting to dipping. Each technique brings out different textures and effects. Our rare glazes are carefully applied, layer by exquisite layer. The chemical reactions within each glaze create stunning results. Artistic choices dictate the final appearance, a true collaboration. The kiln awaits, a chamber of transformation and fire. Pieces are carefully loaded, anticipating their fiery metamorphosis. Inside, intense heat transforms clay into durable, beautiful ceramic. Precise temperatures and durations are crucial for perfection. The anticipation builds as we await the final, stunning results. The moment of truth, opening the kiln to reveal treasures. Each piece emerges, a unique testament to fire and artistry. Behold the rare, completed pottery, highlighting unique textures. The colors, once muted, now vibrant and deep. Every form, a masterpiece, born from dedication and passion. These rare creations embody beauty and immense value.